Hello friends, this is Shilpi and welcome to Foods and Flavors. Today I'll be showing you how to make perfect crispy French fries from scratch. French fries is one of the most famous fast food snack around the world. My kids just love them, so I prefer making them at home. Today I'll be showing you some tips and tricks which will help you in making perfect restaurant style crisp French fries at home. And if you like today's video, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the like button. So let me show you how to make French fries easily at home. For this here I have 4 potatoes and I'll peel them. You can use any kind of potato, but older is better. I like to use little big size potatoes as it will make decent size French fries which look same as we get in restaurants. And now we'll add 5 teaspoons of sugar to a bowl of cold water and mix it well. This will give nice color and crispness to fries. And now let's cut the potatoes. For this first I'll cut it in 4 to 5 thick slices like this. And now I'll take one slice and cut it into 4 to 5 vertical slices. And I'll cut all the potatoes like this. And you can see this is the thickness we are looking for. And now I'll put them in this bowl of water. This will help in reducing the excess starch that reduces the chances of fries sticking together while frying and also makes fries crispier. I'll put this bowl in the fridge for about an hour. It's about an hour now. I'll drain the water out of the potatoes and I'll transfer them on a tray lined with paper towel and pat them dry. And now potatoes are dry enough. We will fry them twice. For the first frying, I have already heated the oil at medium heat, and to check whether oil is hot or not, I'll put one stick. And you can see bubbles, it means oil is ready. We will put some fries in the oil and fry them only for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you only fry them till they are cooked through but not brown at all. Keep turning them for even cooking. Here it is very important that you fry them at medium heat, not at very high temperature, otherwise they will become brown soon and will be uncooked from inside. Now I'll take them out and in the same way, we will semi-fry all the fries. And now we'll keep them aside and let them cool down to room temperature before frying again. It's about an hour now. Now potatoes are cold enough. You can see they are not at all brown but almost cooked from inside. And now let's fry them again. At this time, we will heat the oil at a very high temperature, about 300 to 350 degrees centigrade. And I'll check the oil in the same way. Oil is ready. And I'll again fry the potatoes in batches till they are golden brown. It might take 3 to 4 minutes and turn them couple of times for even cooking. And now you can see they got golden color and perfect crispness. I'll take them out in a plate and immediately season them with some salt. Since my kids are waiting for fries for a long time, let me serve them.
This is so awesome.
I love it so much.
Yeah, very good, very good. It's like out of a restaurant. I love you, Mom. Very good. I love it. The French fries. You break it in half. Just see the potato melting in it. You look at it at the first sight. How does it look? You smell it. The great aroma of salt. Eat it all up in one go. Well, not in one go, but slowly. It melts in your mouth. French fries. More French fries. More French fries. More French fries. Actually, 2 French fries would do more.